Hello guys, and today I'd like to show you this game that I made as an assessment for school. So here is what I call Atari ping pong and all that. So you know, just a basic ping pong game on Scratch. Oh, it's just a taste of what I make on Scratch. You know what I mean, from my last uploaded video. Let's just get straight into the code and all that. So as we start the project and all that, we'll get into like some introduction and all that, to the costumes and all that. You can see there's a lot of costumes and all that, just like that, and the Pong logo, of course. And if we come over here, these are the ping pong players, the ping pong paddles and all that, player 1 and player 2, as you can see over here. There's the classic ping pong ball right here, yep. Now in this version, in this game that I made for ping pong Atari, I made difficulties in which that if you reach up to a certain number when you hit the ball, it will change difficulty, as you can see right here. If you look into the variables here, each one, if you hit up to a difficulty and you hit up to 20 balls, for example, if you're difficulty 1, then you'll change up to change up the difficulty and all that. And so yeah, and same thing goes on and on and on until the last one, which is difficulty 6. That's the finished difficulty. I don't know. This right here is what I call the random indicator. So whenever you start a game of ping pong, for example, if you turn on the green flag, that if we press the green flag, it will go in random locations, random coordinates. That's something that I made and all. But then I realized I could do random position like this on the ping pong ball. But I'm like really skeptical whether if the ball stay vertically when it hits the thing. You know what I mean? And right here is what I made, which is subtitles and all that. This doesn't help at all. I'm just gonna put this away. For example, if once you level up and all that, like what I told you, this will show up and all that. Other subtitles like, oh, this player scored, player 1 scored and all that, this will show up. And there are other ones saying player 1, do better player 2. And +1 player 1, yeah. And yes, player 2 also has one. So yes, player 2, good aiming, yes, player 2. Why cannot player 1 be better? Stupid car. And player 2 scores, yes. And yes, I also got subtitles for whichever player 1 win or player 2 won and all that. And yes, they all have their own changing color thing. So yeah, they'll go on a cycle to change the color and all that. And yes, if we have a tie, then yeah, there's a tie, just if you're wondering. And something I'll show you during the gameplay. Now that should be it for the coding, the whole project and all that. So if you guys enjoy, then yeah. Alright, so we get into the the beginning page right here. We'll go into a cycle, we'll change the costumes and all that, just press A and all that, there you go. And you'll hop into this page right here where it says player 1 and player 2. Now the green icon represents you, so that means player 2 is not here. I'm going to be representing myself obviously, because I got no one to play. Now if we come over here, as you can see, another player is required, find another participant to play this game. And the controls are down here, so W and S is your up and down for player 1, and player 2, same thing, up and down arrows, whatever. Now, while we're here, I want to show you something as well. So, if you go into your keyboard, and then you press both 9 and 0, this will come up. Basically, I made something like a little Easter egg. I usually do this every game I do and all that. So for example, let's just type in 50, just 50, the number 50. We tap that and it will just tell us the year, and we'll just do it again. But if we do 20, just the number 20 and all that, if we can confirm yes or no. If we don't confirm, just say no, or just random words just like that. It will say not confirmed, just say yes. Then yeah, this pops up saying game has ended, thanks for playing. Let's go. So you're gonna hold down both up and down arrows just to join and all that. And then yeah, the ball will just randomly go into a position where it will, yeah. And if it goes vertically, well, too bad. Now I'll show you what I mean about if a player scores and what. So if, for example, player 1 scores, yeah, that's what happens. So if player 2 scores, yeah, and all that. And something about the leveling and all that. Yep, that's what happens. So every 20 numbers, if when you hit the point, what the? Yeah. So there's different sounds that play. So there's usually different. Yeah, maybe that one. Yeah. So there'll be different sounds that will play. So yeah, there'll be different sounds that will play if you score a point and all that. Gosh, and it was my idea as well. It was my idea, bro. And 80 hits is the last one, so yeah. I hit that one. My mans couldn't even score a point, bruh. I'm just sort of like thinking in my head, like, why did I make this so hard? This is just like Geometry Dash when you're trying to fire. And when you head up to 100, yeah. So yeah, if you head up to 100, that's the last level, and you're done. And then you can just press A again to just start again and all that. And then if you want to finish it, just like last time, just type up 20. And then yeah, back to where we was. Alright. Thank you guys for watching this video. I mean, like, if you did enjoy, like the video and all that, and come and check it out. It's shared out to the public and all that. So yeah, don't mind if you do, but like, yeah, enjoy your day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It was good, gang. It's good. Okay, no, wait, hold on. Bro, stop flying into me, man.